Hey, welcome. Everything is working as we expect. So, as a buyer, we cannot purchase more of the item the vendor is willing to sell. Okay. Now, what we want to be able to do now is if the user is yet to select a size, that is a product size, and clicked on this add to cart button, we want to be able to show the customer a snack bar, which is going to say, please select a size. Okay. Now to do this, we have to go back to our VS Code and then we have to go to the product detail and then product underscore detail screen, then the extension is dot file. Okay. And over here we have this function, and the duty of this function is to help us add the product to the cart. So what we can do is, first of all, we can copy this to our clipboard, use Ctrl and C to copy, and now we can use the backspace to get rid of it. And over here we can have a check. We can say if underscore selected size is equal null, it means the user is yet to select the size. So what we want to do is we want to return the show snack, and for the title this sorry for the title this is gonna say please select a size select a size, else if the user or buyer has selected a size already, then we want to be able to add that product to the cart. Okay, use Ctrl and S to save, and let's see what will happen. Okay, we already have this product in cart already, so I'm just going to go to another product. Okay, we do not have this in cart. I'm just going to check. Okay, we do not have that, so I'm going to click on this, and I'm yet to select a size, right? So I'm just going to go ahead and click on the add to cart. Okay, we got the message and it says, please select a size. And now I'm going to select a size and click on this, and it got added successfully. Okay, let's go and check to make sure it was added. Okay, we got it over here, and now we can increment and also we can decrement. Okay, I think we are able to decrement for this item. Just gonna check this to see what went wrong. Okay. Okay, for this item, I'm not able to decrement less than 1, but for this, I'm able to decrement less than 1. Okay, I think no. I don't know what happened. Okay, so everything is working as we expect. I can't decrement. So everything is working as we expect, hopefully. But if there's any error, definitely we should be able to resolve it. Seems good. So we have all the check puts in place. So our app is working very, very cool. And everything is working as we expect. So in the next lecture, we should be able to continue. Okay.